Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you these two interesting gadgets which in my opinion are pretty handy. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and become a part of our community. Simply said, these two are plastic rod holders. So as you can see, it is fully made from plastic. On the back it has this sticker, in the middle it has this metal spring. So if you're gonna be fitting these two in your garage or in your basement or anywhere where you keep your fishing equipment, make sure that you are gonna be doing that in a dry space, because we don't actually want these springs to rust. The spring is pretty tight, so well, it's pretty strong and will definitely hold your rod in a secure position. About the sticker, so you can actually use the sticker to glue it to any of the surface, but from my personal experience, I would also use these screws just to ensure so that it would hold well, for as long as you want it to be there. So let's just have a look whether it will fit my rod. Okay, yep, so it's the first one, and let's just put it to the second one. So as you can see, yeah, it holds the rod pretty secured. So if it would be fitted to the wall, I would definitely wouldn't be bothered about anything that might actually damage my rod. So that's basically all that I wanted to show you. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.